the next no safety operator that we can use is the Elvis operator. The Elvis operator is a fallback that will check if a value is null. If a value is not null, we keep the value. Else, we place a fallback value into it. So in this case, we have name, right? And right now we have the value of null within it. So we can use a Elvis operator, which is a question mark and a colon. And with this, we can define a fallback value just in case this value is null. So if it is null, then it will equal the value of the fallback value. So in this case, I want to just use guest, because if I don't know the name of the person, I just want to call you a guest, because you're a guest. So if we run this, we should expect to see guest. Now, if I'm Geo, right, and I run this, you know my name. You shouldn't put guest. It should be Geo because you know my name. It's not null. And that is the case. So the Elvis operator is very useful if you know that it's going to be null, but you also have a fallback value that you want to put just in case. It's usually better to use this than the safe call operator, in my opinion, because it's, to me, I feel like it's better to have a fallback value instead of, just placing null everywhere, because the safe call operator just returns null. So yeah, that is the Elvis operator. You just use a question mark and a colon and a fallback value and attach that to a variable that may or may not be null.